What it do, YouTube? This is Summer Mara here with two black and white Noble Victory openings. Alright, let's get started. I'm gonna open the Victini one first.
Where'd they go? I don't know.
Okay, so Axew, Petlil, Ponyard, Litwick, Tynamo, Sewaddle, Lilligant, Zuelas, Mulga, and Archin, and the little gay card that it comes with. Now for the Drudigon, whatever it's called, pack.
I'm sorry, I'm just coughing.
This is hard to open. I mean, what the fuck is wrong with you? Alright, so Solosis, Larvesta, Panseer, Litwick, Timber, Landorus, Haxorus, two good cards in one. Turtoga, Vanillish, Garbodor, and the other gay card. So I in this one pack I pulled pretty good cards, Landorus and Haxorus. Alright, that's it. Subscribe and like, thanks.